Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it's unboxing day. So we have a box to unbox, and I'm kind of really excited about this one. It is BoxyCharm, which I really have liked. What I've been getting from it, I want to say that me and my mom have been splitting this box since January. And everything has been really good. There really has not been any fails. So without further ado, let's open up the April BoxyCharm. So of course, first thing is first, we always look at what the theme is. So this month's theme is sweet treats. So I'm really excited to get into this one. First things first, I've noticed that all of them have been coming with a eyeshadow palette. This one is the Natasha Denona. I'm probably completely mispronouncing it, which, you know, I apologize for that. It's super neutral, which is great. It's always great to have a neutral eye palette. They actually have some great names to it as well. So we've got Harlow, Lash Line, Satin Skin, Crease. So I guess this one they want the lash line, and this one they want... Actually, you know what? My bad, guys. I'm reading it. Okay. This is Harlow. This is Lash Line. This is Satin Skin. This is Crease, and this is Glam Green. Because you can't really tell, but it does have like kind of a metallic-y green. A metallic-y green look to it. But they actually feel really nice. I do obviously have eyeshadow on right now, so I can't super play with it. But I'm excited about this one. It's a $48 value. Next, a tweezer kit. How great is this? So this is the Manna Kadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. I'm gonna try to not completely rip open damage the box. This actually came at a great time because I know my eyebrows are looking, they need a little work done to them. So we've got the smaller point, and then of course I guess this one I call the more traditional because this is the one I usually use. So really excited because I don't have one like this. This is an $18 value. So excited to get that on my brows. So next we have the Dragon Beauty. This is the Dragon Fire Color Corrector, and it's actually kind of funny. So it is green because it is the color corrector. Kind of had to explain to my mom why it was green. So, you know, this is obviously good for, you know, under the eyes and just kind of fix those dark circles. So kind of helps get that taken care of. This is actually a $25 value. It says, you know what, guys, I completely forgot to read these descriptions to you. We'll finish with that and then I'll go back and do the descriptions. I apologize, guys, because the descriptions are half as much as the fun. Next is this is the Aurora eyeliner pen, and this is actually the fine tip pen. I've actually swiped this already when I first got it, and legitimately it stayed on my hand. Like, I had to scrub it off. So I'm actually really excited about that. And this is an $11.99 value. Let's see. Okay, so $11.99 for this, and it's espresso, so it's actually a brown. Last but certainly not least, we have the Touch of Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. I have never seen, like, honestly, when I first saw this box, I thought it was some kind of moisturizer or a face mask or something. I've never had, like, I've had a primers usually like in some kind of tube. So, really excited about this one, and it feels really good on my skin. This is a $32 value. So now that we've kind of gone over everything, let me kind of read the description, since I forgot to do that, guys. I'm so sorry. So for the primer, so like I said, this is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. And like I said, this is $32. And honestly, like, so look, where I dabbed it, like, it did have that cooling effect, which is great. Like, I'm actually excited to just kind of rub it on my face and see how that feels. And then we have the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of sparkling middle green tourmaline, which I can never pronounce that word. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's a perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls, suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergy-free. And like I said, this is a $48 value. So let me grab my phone. And we'll pull up the calculator. So we've got 48 for the eyeshadow palette so far, and then the primer was 32. We'll just kind of add everything up. All right. So next is the Dragon Beauty, the color corrector. So this is the Dragonfire color corrector. Helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, it blends effortlessly and offers customable light to full coverage. So I'm assuming that we can just kind of like add on if we have any problem areas. To make your makeup look even more flawless, apply it anywhere you like to correct and neutralize and blend with a flat concealer brush or beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. And this is a $25 value. And then we've got the eyeliner pen, which, like I said, I can't wait to, like, I feel like this is like gonna be so hard to take off, which is a good, kind of a good and a bad thing. So this is the Aurora eyeliner pen. If you've been looking for a long-lasting smudge-proof eyeliner, then look no further. Seriously, look no further. The Aurora Intensively Precise Eyeliner in Espresso gives you an all-natural matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours. Like I said, I had, like, when I first got this box, I had to scrub this off my hand. Made with German ink technology to ensure a flawless finish with an ultrafine felt tip. The natural ink formula is 100% free of alcohol and won't smudge. This gorgeous liner provides a smooth and luminous look for any occasion, and it's safe for sensitive eyes, which is awesome. And this is $11.99. And last but not least, the tweezer set. So the tweezer set, the Manicadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. It's time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains one slanted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. A long handle provides a more controlled tweeze, which is always great. And this is an $18 value. So total $134.99 for everything we got. And like I said, the BoxyCharm boxes are, I want to say, about $49 a month. So I mean, totally worth the money. If you're like me and you like playing with makeup, and I say play, I am in no way, shape, or form any kind of professional makeup artist. I do what I like and tricks that I've learned from people. Like, I do kind of have a semi-full look on now. So I've kind of noticed that ever since COVID and we're all stuck at home, I play more with my makeup. Like, I'm not like trying to rush and put it on. I'll play with colors a little bit more. So it's actually been a little bit more fun for me to play with makeup. I don't know about you guys. So again, BoxyCharm, April box, sweet treats, great box. Have you guys gotten the box? What is your favorite? Did you guys get something different? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, and see you guys more for more unboxing, more makeup, and as always, more Disney. Bye guys.